Securing Sensitive Data with AWS KMS, your ultimate guide to encryption and decryption. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. The security crisis of sensitive data and protective measures. In today's digital landscape, sensitive data is constantly threatened by cyber attacks, breaches, and unauthorized access. Organizations are increasingly aware of the critical need to protect this data, whether personally identifiable information, PII, financial records, or intellectual property. The consequences of failing to secure sensitive data can be severe, including regulatory penalties, economic losses, and reputational damage. Protective measures such as encryption have become the gold standard for safeguarding data. Encryption ensures that even if data is intercepted or accessed without authorization, it remains unreadable and useless to unauthorized parties. However, managing encryption keys, critical to the encryption process, can be complex and challenging. This is where AWS Key Management Service, KMS, comes into play, offering a robust and easy-to-use solution for managing encryption keys and securing sensitive data. AWS KMS, a good helper for data encryption and decryption. AWS KMS is a managed service that simplifies the creation, management, and use of encryption keys across AWS services and applications. It integrates seamlessly with other AWS services, enabling organizations to protect their data without the overhead of managing key storage, rotation, and permissions. With AWS KMS, you can create and control the keys to encrypt your data, ensuring that only authorized users and services can access the encrypted information. KMS also provides detailed audit logs via AWS CloudTrail, allowing you to monitor key usage and detect potential security incidents. Adding a new key, the first step to protecting data. The first step in leveraging AWS KMS for data protection is creating a new key. This key will be used to encrypt and decrypt your data. Here's a quick guide on how to create a new KMS key. Access AWS KMS console. Navigate to the AWS Management Console and select AWS KMS from the Security, Identity and Compliance section. Create a key. Click on the Create Key button. Choose the essential type, symmetric or asymmetric, and define key usage permissions. Symmetric keys are generally used for encrypting and decrypting data, while asymmetric keys are used for digital signatures and other use cases. Configure key policies. You can define who can use and manage the key by setting up key policies. You can also enable key rotation, which automatically rotates the key every year. Complete the setup, review the configuration and create the key. Your new KMS key is now ready for data encryption. Encrypting data, putting a protective shield on your data. Once your KMS key is set up, you can start encrypting data. Encryption with AWS KMS involves using the key to transform your plaintext data into ciphertext, ensuring that it is protected from unauthorized access. Here's how you can encrypt data using AWS KMS. Choose Data to encrypt. Select the data or files you want to encrypt. This could be data stored in AWS S3, EBS volumes, RDS databases, or any other supported service. Invoke the KMS key. Use the AWS SDK, CLI, or the Management Console to specify the KMS key for encryption. Once you select the key, AWS services integrated with KMS will automatically handle the encryption process. Encrypt the data. The selected data is encrypted using the KMS key, and only authorized users or services with the correct permissions can decrypt it. Decrypting data, restoring data to its original form. Decrypting data converts the encrypted ciphertext back into its original plaintext form, allowing authorized users to access it. Decryption with AWS KMS is straightforward. Access the encrypted data. Identify the data that needs to be decrypted and stored in an encrypted S3 bucket, a database, or another AWS service. Use the KMS key for decryption. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to access the KMS key. Use the AWS SDK, CLI, or Management Console to decrypt the data. Decrypt the data. The KMS key converts the ciphertext back into plaintext, making the data usable. AWS KMS ensures that the decryption process is secure, and that only authorized users can access the decrypted data, providing peace of mind that your sensitive information is safe. Conclusion. AWS KMS is a powerful tool for protecting sensitive data through encryption and decryption. It simplifies key management, integrates seamlessly with other AWS services, and provides the security and compliance features necessary to protect your organization's data. By leveraging AWS KMS, you can ensure that your sensitive information remains secure, even in the face of increasing cyber threats. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website and follow our social media links.